Imagine starting a company with just a laptop. Sounds impossible? It's not. One individual can leverage AI tools to solve real problems. Today, we'll explore how to create a company that can generate significant revenue without a massive team. Begin with a problem worth solving, not a tech-first approach. Many businesses waste time with repetitive tasks. Every time a team tackles an inefficient process, there's an opportunity. Focus on the asterisk problem triangle asterisk: pain, frequency, and budget. Next, choose a niche market. Don't appeal to everyone. Instead, target specific areas like helping property managers or small accounting firms. Narrow markets let you deliver deeper value. Before building, talk to potential customers. What frustrates them the most? What tasks steal their time? Gather insights directly from them. Understanding the real problem is crucial. Now, build a minimum viable product, or MVP. Start small. For instance, if businesses struggle with document processing, create a tool that organizes and extracts data. Use modern tech to minimize your workload while ensuring a solid design. Create a seamless workflow. Combine AI with human processes. Ensure your system doesn't just provide answers but produces actionable insights. Reliability is key. Your product isn't valuable until customers are willing to pay. Explore pricing models like subscriptions or usage-based costs. Set a price based on the value you bring, not just your expenses. Leverage AI to streamline different aspects of your startup. From marketing to customer support, use AI to focus on strategic decisions while reducing time-consuming tasks. A repeatable sales engine is essential. Start with direct outreach, then scale through content and partnerships. Always prioritize genuine value over quick wins. Visualize your path to success. For example, 100 customers paying $500 monthly yields $600,000 annually. Understand that scaling means more than just revenue. It affects your team's workload and business allocations. As you grow, build a capable team, ensuring you control key decisions. Document systems to retain quality as you scale. Remember, the risks are real. Startups face competition, technological shifts, and customer retention challenges. Understanding your market and building trust is essential. In conclusion, the million-dollar company isn't about the glitz. It's about understanding real problems and providing solutions. Use AI wisely, and you can achieve incredible things. Subscribe for more insights on AI, entrepreneurship, and building wealth. Imagine you're sitting at your laptop, brainstorming ideas to tackle common struggles faced by small business owners. You jot down various pain points, revealing repeated frustrations like time wasted on data entry and document management. It hits you. These issues are not just minor inconveniences, they are opportunities waiting to be seized. You remember the asterisk problem triangle asterisk concept and decide to focus on frequency. How often do these businesses encounter paperwork problems? You realize many property managers deal with stacks of documents weekly, which highlights not only pain but also potential for high demand. This prompts you to dive deeper into this niche. You reach out to a small group of property managers, excited to learn about their experiences. As you conduct interviews, they candidly share their struggles with organizing tenant information and tracking maintenance requests. One manager, visibly frustrated, recounts how lost documents have cost them time and money. You take notes, absorbing their feedback, understanding that their insights are vital for shaping your future product. They express a desire for a simple tool that could streamline their processes and save them hours each week. This becomes the foundation of your vision, sparking inspiration for your MVP. With newfound insights, you begin sketching out the minimum viable product. You envision a user-friendly interface that not only organizes documents but also integrates a simple dashboard for tracking requests. This MVP will address the exact pain points your interviews identified, enabling property managers to effortlessly access tenant information at any time. You start coding, embracing available AI tools to enhance functionality while streamlining development. Each feature you create directly reflects the feedback you've gathered, ensuring your solution is not only tailored to users' needs but also backed by your empathetic understanding of their daily struggles. As you prepare to launch, the excitement builds within you, realizing you are on the verge of transforming their experiences. You finalize your MVP, implementing feedback and enhancing the interface for optimal usability. Next, you conduct a beta test inviting a select few property managers to try out your tool. As they navigate through the interface, you watch closely, eager for their honest reactions. Some features are met with enthusiasm, while others prompt suggestions for improvement. Among them, one manager mentions a need for automated reminders for tenant communication, an idea that resonates with your vision. You take meticulous notes, confident that these adjustments will elevate the product further. By focusing on user experience, you prepare for a successful launch that promises to make lives easier while confirming your commitment to addressing their most pressing challenges. You pivot towards refining the workflow, integrating AI capabilities that facilitate seamless user interaction. An automated process emerges, capable of sorting and categorizing incoming documents while prioritizing urgent maintenance requests. You envision property managers receiving instant notifications, alleviating the chaos often associated with manual management. This feature not only simplifies their tasks but empowers them to focus more on proactive rather than reactive measures, ultimately enhancing their operational efficiency. With each adjustment made, the tool starts to embody the solution they desperately need. Ultimately, your journey underscores the power of empathy in entrepreneurship. It's not just about creating a product but understanding your customers' lives and making a meaningful impact. By harnessing AI intelligently, you pave the way for sustained success, embodying the essence of solving real problems effectively.